Hello everyone, today let's fix this back cover of Samsung A52 smartphone firmly. As you see, it has come out by itself like this. As you see the adhesive tape, it has turned to be sticky and we need to remove the stickiness before applying any kind of glue. Take a lint-free cloth, apply isopropylene alcohol to it and just go on cleaning it this way. Cleaning is very important. If you do not clean it thoroughly, if you do not remove the stickiness of the old adhesive tape or glue, then the problem will repeat again after a few days or few months. The back cover will peel again, it will come back. So removing this stickiness of the adhesive is very important. But also be careful, if there are any antennas, do not damage them. Take a hard rubber or plastic of this kind. Here I am using an old faulty condenser from an induction stove. So take it. Now go on removing the adhesive in this way, or if you have any hard rubber, you can use the hard rubber. You can use it in this way or any of the ways. Only thing is the old stickiness should come out. As you can see here, it's coming out. We have to do this, or else the glue which we are going to fix, it won't stick permanently. After a few months again it will come out. Once the glue comes out, all the original properties will be lost. You don't need them back. There might be some chemicals using which we can remove the adhesive easily, but there are chances that they may cause harm to the plastics. So better not to use any chemicals. Be careful that you will not use any hard tools and damage the battery. Now clean the adhesive from the smartphone. Now need to clean it from the back cover. This is a lint free cloth. Apply some alcohol, isopropylene alcohol. You see, it's not sticky. So see, it's good. Okay, now we'll apply glue. Actually I need to use a white glue, but presently I'm not having a white glue. I will use black one. I'll use black one, but in the description I'll give the online link for both black and transparent one, clear one. Based on your smartphone color, you can use any of them. I'll provide the link for this glue. So before applying, first let me roughen the surface. Now before applying the glue, let me just roughen the surface of this, because as it is very smooth, there are chances that the glue will not hold on to it. See that it will not scratch on the back cover. The lines will appear on the back side. Don't press too hard. If you press too hard, the impressions will appear on the back side. So to avoid that, just make some grooves, or you need to say that we need to roughen the surfaces. Now apply the glue only on the black tape. I will not spread this tape. I will just apply it in this way and press it on the smartphone. Take the smartphone, sit in this way, see all the sides. Now we need to press and keep it in this way for nearly 1 hour, and for completely drying we need to keep it for 12 to 24 hours. So let me use some rubber bands to make it firm. It's good now. Actually it is firm still. Before fixing the back cover, also check if there is any dust on the camera lenses. If there is any dust, first clean it and then fix the back cover. I had not checked, but fortunately there is no dust on the back cover camera lens. Okay, now we will keep it for drying up. Let's switch it on, check. Okay, screen is good. So hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the automatic back cover detaching of your Samsung Galaxy A52, A53, any of the Galaxy smartphones which are nowadays after warranty, the back covers are coming out. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, subscribe to our channel if not yet subscribed, and also if you wish to support my channel, you can just click on the thanks tab below near the share button, etc. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.